How to obtain a lump sum of cash from your annuity or structured settlement future payments. DRB Capital gets you a lump sum of cash when you sell some or all of your future annuity payments. An annuity or structured settlement is a contract of payments being sent to you. It is designed to provide income over a period of time. Some annuity payment types include a structured settlement annuity that is obtained by a lawsuit, a self-owned investment annuity, and more. Not all annuities qualify. Call us to find out more. Talk to us to find out if you can get a lump sum of cash from some or all of your future structured settlement or annuity payments. You can use a lump sum of money for debt or medical bills, career training or college education, reliable transportation, fix up your home or move to a new one, start or fund an existing business. We will swiftly find out if you can sell some or all of your future annuity or structured settlement payments and then give you a quote to receive the cash you need. Call us now.